Hi everyone! I'm so excited because this is the first time that we're going out in my comfort zone. Hindi ko alam if I will be able to take a video outside in a public space. Kasi syempre, iba din naman when you are in a private place. Diba? Now we're going out. Okay? So I hope that you're going to enjoy this one. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. And of course, please do not forget to give your comment about this one. I'll give you a hint para hindi naman kayo magtataka kung saan tayo pupunta. We are going to a place where I can find perfect gambla. Goodbye room, goodbye house, goodbye family for now, but kayo, you are going with me. And we're going to enjoy this adventure for sure. Okay, let's go! Mali yung teleport. Let's go! Nakikita pa rin isa pa. Let's go! Touchdown, Japan! Charot lang. Manila lang po. And I'm excited to find our perfect ganda. So join me in this adventure. First stop, Glorieta.
Stop! Stop now! Stop it!
We are here right now in BGC. Kasi unfortunately, I was not able to find what we are looking for in Glorieta. But hopefully, we'll try our luck here in BGC that we'll be able to see what we are looking for. So stick with me and let's enjoy the rest of the video. Time first na muna. Now that we're done eating, let's get going. One thing that I learned when you're doing a vlog in a public place is that even if people are not looking at you, you feel like they are looking at you. And also, don't forget to bring the mic because the surrounding is so noisy even if there is no one around. That's it. I think that's one thing that I should be doing in my next vlog. What we're looking for is not there, so I decided to go kasi nakita akong gusto kong bilhin. I think we have to go to our next stop. You know, here in BGC, people love walking. And that's what we are doing right now. Pwede naman tayong sumakay, pero we cannot appreciate the beauty of this city without walking. And of course, there are so many trees, kaya you should not be afraid of getting your skin. Alam mo na yun, syempre. One takeaway that I learned from this experience, since this is my first time doing a vlog outside the comfort of my room, medyo, syempre, nakakaya of course. Pero I feel like this is a good experience of showing the place and of course, talking about other things. So sana I'll be able to do something like this again. And of course, we are walking to our last and finally, or we are walking to our next. And of course, sana finally this is our last stop. which is the SM Aura Premier, kasi nandoon ang Toy Kingdom. So hopefully that we're going to see what we are looking for. If not, I think I'm just going to buy kung ano makita ko doon. Medyo hinihingal na tayo, no? Kasi we've been walking simula pa kanina. But hopefully that you're going to stick with me and watch this video. And of course, do not forget, hi everyone, this is me again, Teacher Noy, and I'm happy to say that I finally found the perfect Ganpla. And it's here inside my bag already. As promised, I am going to show it to you. Why don't we count first before I reveal to you the perfect Ganpla? 3, 2, 1. Just kidding! Sabi ko sa inyo, I'm going to show it to you once na makauwi ako sa Katanduanes, and that's what we're going to do. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and wait for the part 2 of this video. That's it. Bye! Rise and shine, everyone! It's time to go home. Good morning, EDSA. I'm traveling now, going to airport. I'm happy that I was able to accomplish all the things which were listed in my to-do list. It may be a short trip, but I can say, mission accomplished, Teacher Noy. Sad yarn, don't be sad, Teacher Noy. We just need to go back to our reality. And our reality now is in Iraq. Now we have to wait again because napaaga tayo. But you know, when given this opportunity to be alone, to travel alone and think of your own life, I think this is the best moment for us to appreciate what we have. Thank God for everything that we have. And of course, do and use this opportunity to plan. Plan your next move, just like what I'm doing right now. Hey Sebi, that's my ride going home. See you in a bit, Virap. Now we're ready to take off. This is exciting. Bye city, hello clouds, hello happy island, hello happy island again, another happy island, and now I'm home. I promised to you that we're going to do the big reveal of the Ganpla that I am going to use for my project, the keychain project, which I am really excited about it. I am so excited about that project, so I'm not going to take this too long. Gusto nyo nang makita ang ating piniling Ganpla. So, here is the Ganpla. I am not going to count anymore kasi mali-mali naman ang countdown ko. 3, 2, 1, So, wag na tayong mag-count. Diretso na natin to para matapos na. Okay? So, here is our Ganpla! Yay! Bakit ganito? Oh, syempre, iisip kayo, hindi naman yung binili sa Manila, ha? Syempre, 1, 2, 3. Ulitin ko, di ba? So I'm going to say to you now, it's a prank! It's a prank! Sorry na, okay? Ngayon palang nag-apologize na ako. Yes, this is delivered. So magtataka kayo, ay, ano yung binili sa Makati? Ano yung binili doon sa mga toy store na yon? Okay, so here is the explanation behind that. Story time. Okay, let's have our story time. If you're going to remember na nag-post ako ng video kung saan tinatanong ko sa inyo kung ano sa dalawang option ko ang bibilin kong Ganpla para sa keychain project ko. And before I uploaded that, ang puso ko made up its mind. Charot, may mind ba yung puso? Joke lang. I made up my mind already the moment that I uploaded it without even knowing that there will be a lot of you who will be expressing your opinion regarding that matter that I posted. And tama din naman talaga because I asked for your opinion. So, you gave comments about this matter and I appreciated it. I have nothing against it. That's what I want, syempre. Kasi kayo ang bumubuhay sa channel na ito. Me and you, we are all helping together to make this channel live, to make this channel alive, to make this channel going. Kasi syempre, kung walang nanonood sa akin, and if you're not going to give your comments, you're not going to like this video, you're not going to share it, walang mangyayari sa video ko, syempre hindi ako mag-grow. At kung hindi ako mag-grow, I won't be able to have resources for me to be able to continue uploading videos for this channel. Yun talaga ang reality of this life. I may not be able to sustain it if there's no support coming from all of you. Now, I made up my mind already that I want this Ganpla. But because of your comments, it made my mind confused. Diba? Nagkaroon ng confusion yung mind ko. Tama ba ang decision ko? Is this the right thing that I'm going to do? Because when I made up my mind, it was because of my impulsiveness, which I am the king of impulsiveness. I have the crown of being the most impulsive person. Nakilala ko. Okay, so ako na yun. Sa friend group ko, ako yung pinaka-impulsive. I do not know if in the other parts of the world, meron din silang impulsive. Sige na, enjoy mo lang ang life mo. Meet you soon, okay? I want to meet you soon so that I will know how it is to observe someone in the third-person point of view of being impulsive. Anyway, going back to the topic, matake na naman ang ating kondisyon. So going back to the topic, I was thinking already, so sabi ko sa inyo, I made up my mind already, even without your comments yet. So, pumunta ako agad sa ating mga online shopping platforms, online shopping applications. Then what did I do? I searched for that specific Ganpla that I want. So baka ngayon pa lang, alam nyo na, even without me opening this one. But anyway, so what I did is, I already nakakita ako ng mura. Syempre, hindi naman tayo bibili ng mahal. Pero it's overseas. What I did is, I checked it out already. Ganun na kadali, di ba? Binayaran ko para hindi na siya hassle. Pero what I did is, binayaran ko siya agad, waiting for it to arrive. Kaso, naging problema. The seller was telling me that it will take a little bit longer. Totoo naman talaga. If it's overseas, mahirap naman talaga magpadala dito sa Pilipinas. And knowing that I am not in the city, I am not in Metro Manila, I am here in Catanduanes, which is a little farther. Medyo malayo talaga ito as compared to other nearby provinces na malapit sa NCR. Now, because I had a scheduled trip going to Manila, and yun din, ang isa sa mga bagay na gusto ko rin i-clarify, na kasi may mga friends ako who are telling me na, talaga, you went to Manila because of buying a Ganpla. Nag-smile na lang ako. Pero that's not the only reason why I will go there. Medyo mukha lang talaga akong gastador. I won't be spending that much for a round-trip plane ticket just for me to, you know, go to Manila and buy a Ganpla. Siguro if I have millions of subscribers already and kumikita tayo, di ba? Or kung hindi naman ganoon, siguro if I am rich na, why not, di ba? Gusto ko ng ganitong klaseng Gundam. I'll go to Japan and splurge there. Ganun ang gagawin ko. Unfortunately, that's not the situation that I am in. Yun talaga ang buhay, di ba? Kaya dapat I have to be wise in spending money. That's the reason why I thought, nasabi ko, why not I look for another Ganpla? Because baka talaga yung itong inorder ko ito will not be the perfect fit for the case that I bought. At yung project na gusto ko mangyari will not happen. Diba? Our main goal here is do that project and make it happen. Pero ito na yung nangyari. Yung near na toy store na alam ko sa Makati, hindi nga Makati yung ibang pinuntahan ko, tatlo lang yon ang alam kong toy store. But I know that in the nearby malls, meron pa rin naman. Pero kasi with the time and other things that I need to do, kinakailangan that I have to do it for a day. All of those toy stores na I'm going to visit, dapat matapos ko siya within a day. Hindi naman yung bibili ka lang because ito yung malapit doon sa maaaring magamit mo. Siyempre, you're going to buy something that will make you happy na rin naman. Kasi nga, you are going to spend money. So that's what I did. I went to the different toy stores. I went to a toy store in Glorieta. Pumunta ako ng PGC para tumingin sa mga toy store. I was already in Toy Kingdom. The application gave a notification, diba? The application gave a notification, diba? Yung notification ko sa application told me that my parcel was delivered already. So it made me happy. Kaya ito yun yung video to, getting my good news. Kasi una, yung consideration ko nga, maybe I'm doing a wrong decision for this Ganpla because I might just be wasting time, money, and effort, and the project will become failed. Yan ang something na hindi natin gusto mangyari. Kasi syempre, pag nangyari yun, we have to redo the project. We have to do everything again. So, yung time, nasayang na. Yung effort, nasayang na. Yung money, pwedeng nasayang din. Pero the Ganpla, hindi siya masasayang. Kasi, in-display mo siya. Yung magiging masaya mo kasi, ang gusto ni teacher no, ay masaya pa rin. Diba? Pero, for the sake of doing our contents, diba? Hindi naman sa I'm doing my content just for you to be happy. Pero totoo naman talaga, di ba? Kailangan gumagawa tayo ng content para maging masaya kayo. Hindi naman pwedeng gumagawa tayo ng content para ako lang ang maging masaya. It should be a mutual relationship between us. Na dapat masaya kayo, masaya din ako. However, when I went to Toy Kingdom, ang konti lang ng mga choices and walang masyadong RG doon, and di ko naman masyadong gusto yung mga nambenta nilang RG. That's the reason why I said to myself na, okay, I'll stop na lang looking because I have other important things to do, not just looking for the Gunpla, though it's an important errand also, pero I have my Gunpla na at home, which I can give it a try, di ba? Why not give it a try? Sabi nga nila, why not give it a try para malaman natin whether, you know, this is it or pansit, di ba? Whether malaman natin if this is it or this is not pansit, di ba? So something like that. So that's what I decided to do na lang. Na, yeah, intentionally, kung meron man akong something intentional that I did that, in the last part of the video, yung first video natin, sinabi ko talaga doon na I will just pretend na I bought na the Gunpla and I'm going to do the reveal here in Catanduanes. Which, I told naman the first part of my video, in the first video, na I am going to do the reveal here in Catanduanes pagka-uwi ko. Pero, yun na yun. It's a prank. Okay? It's a prank because nandito na siya, at hindi siya galing sa Manila, nandito na ang ating Gunpla. Now, what are the things that I am worrying for this one? Siyempre, I have read a lot of comments regarding this. Na siyempre, it might not work out. I am going to give it a try. This is not Teacher Noy if this is not about taking risk. Okay? Minsan, kailangan din natin mag-take risk. We have to jump, okay, for us to know that there is a possibility. I'm going to take a risk in building this one. So, i-build natin ito. I'm going to show you the process on how I'm going to build this and how I'm going to put it inside the case. Kaya, hopefully, you're going to still watch this. Again, I apologize. It was unintentional. Pero yun nga, hopefully that this project will still be a success and we will be able to see that at the end. I'm going to post it, malamang, di ba? I am always hoping and praying that you're going to support this channel and the things that I'm doing. Masaya naman ako sa ginagawa ko and I hope that you are also, so that we are going to always be inspired and motivated to do a content that you are going to like. And hopefully, in the next things that I'm going to do, especially in something that is related to this one that we're going to do, I will be able to make it right. Okay? Thank you very much for all your comments. I appreciated everything. It was not my intention to lie. I'm so sorry. It was just a mistake that I did. I will own my mistake naman. If I have done something wrong or I have said something wrong, I will own my mistake. Kasi ganoon naman talaga dapat. We have to really own our mistake and do something about it. Hindi lang sa i-own natin siya, but you have to do something about it para yung mistake mo will not be a burden to other people. Yung mistake mo will not be a burden to you and burden to other people, and you can live a life that you are, masaya, syempre. Importante na we are always happy. Okay? So, I'm going to show you what's this. I'm sure naman na alam niyo na kung ano ito. Pero ipapakita ko pa rin sa inyo kung ano ito. Okay? This is my first unboxing. First unboxing, di ba? Ito yung una nating unboxing ng bagay-bagay. Okay, so this is our first unboxing. Lalayo ko ng konti. Again, so this is our first unboxing. Meron tayo ditong cutter. Nakuha ko lang to nung sa mga binibili ko din. Pero yun, yellow din siya. Teacher Noy lahat. So this is our first unboxing. I'm sure that there will be a lot of you who will be disappointed why I chose this. Pero yun na, dinuna ko na po yung justification and explanation para pagbigyan nyo na lang po ako. If not, then let's do it again. Marami naman po tayong chances of, okay, there will be a lot of chances of doing this again, diba? So if this is a lesson that I'm going to learn, steady, we have to really learn something. So let's be careful po ha, especially sa mga bata po dyan na nanonood. If you're going to use something sharp, look for the guidance of your parents. Maghanap po tayo ng guidance ng ating mga magulang. Kasi pag tayo nasugatan, sigurado iiyak tayo. Sino ba ang hindi umiiyak pag nasasaktan? Diba? So, huwag na po natin hayaan na masaktan tayo. So, this is it. Pansit. I'm going to show it to you now. Oh. Ay, thank you po sa seller ha. I was thinking na hindi na siya naka-bubble wrap. Pero, wala na pong laman. Naka-bubble wrap pa siya. So, here it is. Our Gunpla. So, Ayun! Am I doing this right? I don't know if I'm doing this right. Sana I'm doing this right, diba? Kasi if I'm not doing this right, then we will be doing this. Charot. If I'm not doing this right, ano yung sasabi ko, diba? Hindi naman po ako super, ayan. Pero, you know, the joy of opening a box of Gigantla. Hi, this is happiness. This is yung ito yung mga panahon sa buhay mo na you are going to be inspired into working harder para mabili mo yung mga gusto mong bilhin. So here it is. Here it is, my RGB Gundam Zero and the Swords. Hopefully that you will be able to fit yourself inside that piece. Kasi kung hindi, we are definitely going to look for you. Pero kung hindi naman, kung hindi ka talaga makakapasok, you have a special spot here. Okay? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting Teacher Noy. And of course, thank you for making me this far. Pa na po tayo ganun kalayo, pero I'm always grateful for those people who are inspiring me to do better into this thing that I'm doing right now. And hopefully, you will continue supporting me so that I will always have the inspiration to create a video that will make you happy. And will make me happy. This is again Teacher Noy. Thank you very much. Bye. Hi everyone, this is me again, Teacher Noy. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video and this is your first time watching Teacher Noy, please do not forget to click my image below and subscribe in this channel. And if you're still interested in watching for more videos, there are so many choices here in this side. Please do not forget to support Teacher Noy. Like, subscribe, watch, and comment. And if possible, share it to your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.